So, you've probably had times, right, when you really felt heard by somebody, Like you're there and boom, they got me. I mean, they got what's going on with me. I really feel like I was heard. Yeah? No? Yeah? Sometimes? Once? Twice? Occasionally? Yeah. And vice versa, so sometimes you feel like, wow, I really got their experience. Boom. And when that happened, correct me if I'm wrong, I might be out of line here, but if I'm not, when that happened, wasn't that different than the other stuff? The normal stuff you see, and you kind of cherish that one, right? Don't you? Good. Yes. Boom. Okay. Now, that might lead us to a kumbaya moment, right? Alrighty. It might. See, but now, to ward off us going down that road, because it's starting to feel good. And you know me, if it's starting to feel good, I'm going to rain on the parade. It's like, okay, that's nice. That is a possibility. Yeah? See, but now watch, because remember we were talking about a distinction here. Manipulation and stuff. Now watch, you can see how easily, probably, this cherishing of these moments, they become special. They also tend to be rare, right? But then this thing, see, now we say, okay, it has to feel good. Aha! All right, now, so you see that the moment we start to, okay, I need communication to be like this, we've lost it. You followed that. See, we've lost it because now it has to be like this. If I don't feel good and tingle, that's not communication. If I don't have this connection that, I cherish, and that's not communication. See, now every other experience is discarded. So you can see how easily we slip into just manipulation. See, but then there's a possibility that we might grasp at communication and not like it. Yes, sir?
And that can also happen in the reverse too, right? So it's like good or bad. Like it needs to feel bad. Could have that same negating quality as it needs to feel good.
Yeah, but tell me somebody who says it needs to feel bad, right? I want a special moment of bad feeling. Yeah, we usually don't go there, but yeah, sure, of course.
I just wanted to include the other side.
Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, okay, let me go there then. So, how about this? We got a communication, right? Same kind of deal. Get your experience, you get experience. And maybe you're communicating something, your experience of me. Oh, okay, dangerous ground, right? But you're like that. And so I get something, and I really get it about me, but it's painful. It kind of hurts. Ow! It's like, right? See, a little painful there. See? And then maybe I make that same kind of, instead of the kumbaya connection, okay, if it's not painful, it's not good, it's not genuine. See, it doesn't dig in deep enough. You see, I'm not really getting it. See? Yeah, we don't want to go down there either. So we open this up. We say, okay, grasping another's experience, no matter what it does for you, against you, doesn't make any difference. It's their experience.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.